Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the abbreviation format of the given string. If the user give the particular string, if you want to display the abbreviation format, abbreviation means suppose the user giving the Indian Police Service, we should want to display the abbreviation format IPS. So the IPS. So in this video we are going to see about the how to display the abbreviation format of the given string. Whatever the string the user has given, we should display the abbreviation format of the given particular string. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. I am taking the string user input. I am getting the string user input and I am stored into the user input variable. By using the input of function, I am getting the input from user. Enter the string. Okay. Here I am collecting the user input by using the input of function and store into the user input variable. Then I am going to split the user input string. We know the splitter function that's used to split the single string into multiple parts. So I'm going to split the user single string into the multiple string. So I'm using the splitter function. And the same string again stored into the same variable user input. Okay. Then I am taking one empty string variable st equal to empty string. Finally the abbreviation character should be stored here. That's why I am initializing this string. Okay, I am taking the empty string variable. Okay, then I am going to perform this operation for every characters. Then for I in user input, this is the condition. So you should the colon symbol will be added. Then I'm applying the condition, that is this is the empty string. So after converting the abbreviation, that should be stored in the st variable. So I'm taking the st variable, then st, this st is initial st variable. Okay, initially it's an empty string. So the empty string, after performing the operation, the string should be stored in the empty string, and the final result will be stored here. I of 0 dot upper of. Suppose the user has given the input in the lowercase format, we should convert it into the uppercase. If she has given in the uppercase format, there is it doesn't worry, no need to take this. But if either it may be a lowercase or uppercase, we don't know how kind of input the user will be given. So we should convert the string characters into uppercase format. Normally the abbreviations will be in uppercase format only. Okay, so we are converting the I of 0 value. I of 0 means the first character of first character of every string. Okay, first character of every string should be converted into uppercase format. Then print the values, print the string. The abbreviation format of the string is comma st. Okay, then I'm going to run it. Enter the string. I am giving the string as Indian administrative officer. Indian administrative officer. Sir, IA is the service. Simply I have taken as officer. So IAO. Then service. Okay. The abbreviation format of Indian Administrative Service is IAS. Then the next one. The next example is I am taking object oriented programming, OOP. Okay friends, let's see how it works. Okay, I'm taking the user input. The user given the input as in object oriented programming. Okay, then I am going to split the user input. Control V. See this program. First I am taking the input. I am getting the input from the user. Its object oriented programming is assigned to user input variable. Then the user input variable has the user input, and it's splitted into the after splitting the user input variable, it's again stored into the user input variable. Okay, I am splitting the user input object oriented programming. After splitting the input, the result will be like this: object oriented and programming. The single string has splitted into multiple strings, so object oriented programming. Then the next one is I am taking the empty string, right? st equal to empty string, and I am going to search the each and every operator in the user input. So basically a single input, after performing the splitter function, is converted into three strings. Okay, it's converted into 3 strings, and I am going to search the each and every string, object oriented and programming. Okay, first I of 0. First initially the st equal to single string, the empty string. So the empty string will be assigned here. plus I of 0 dot upper of. I of 0 means this string, this is the I of 0, this string, this is I of 0, here this is the I of 0. So for every string, if I of 0 value will be converted into uppercase format. Okay, so the first case, this O will be converted into uppercase, and the second case, this O will be converted into uppercase. The third one, this P will be converted into uppercase format. Finally, all the characters will be assigned into the empty string. Finally, the output will be ST. The output will be OOP. Okay friends, that's it. Do you have any doubts in this video? Just leave your comment. If you want more videos like this, leave your comment here, and I will post the related videos like this. And if you like this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to all your friends. Thank you friends.